how you can delete multiple contacts on your iPhone at once. Now this is a really useful trick when you are trying to delete multiple contacts, and I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's just delete multiple contacts at once. First, just open up your contacts, and after you open your contacts, what you will want to do is just tap on one contact with two of your fingers. After you do that, just scroll down with two of your fingers and you'll have selected multiple contacts. Now scroll up, you'll deselect them, and after you do that, you can just leave that and do it again with your two fingers for other contacts. Now after you do that, you will have selected your contacts, and now to delete them, just tap on one and just hold till you see this option right here. Now there you will see the option to delete 8 contacts. Just tap on delete 8 contacts and confirm your delete, and you'll have deleted 8 of your contacts at once. So that is how you do it, guys. It's pretty simple and really useful. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.